In this video, I'm going to make grapes and coconut water vinegar fermentation. We want to prevent contamination, so let us observe proper aseptic technique. So first, let us wash our hands properly, and after that, we need to sterilize the things that we're going to use by soaking them with hot water and washing them with soap. For coconut water, we need to strain it with a cloth, and after that, we need to put it in the stove with low heat for 20 minutes while stirring it. While waiting for the coconut water to boil, get the materials that you soak in hot water. For the grapes, repeatedly wash it first before you smash it. After smashing it, you can now transfer it to your container. Put some water, then put the lid, and you can finally store it. For coconut water, after 20 minutes, when it's done, you can now turn off the heat and let it cool before transferring it to its container. In my case, I want to strain it before transferring it to its container. After that, put the lid and it's ready to be stored. Every day for 3 weeks, you need to open those vinegars and stir them. When you see those molds, you need to remove them.